Take a comfortable seat or lie down. Close your eyes if that feels safe, or lower your gaze. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Let your belly rise. Hold it for a second and exhale gently through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Release the tension in your body. Take another deep breath in through your nose. Hold and let go. Another deep inhale. Fill your belly, fill your lung, and take a tiny sip of air on top of that. Hold it for a second and let it go. Now observe your breath. Try to notice every tiny sensation of every inhale. Focus on the small area of your nostrils. See if you can feel the air flow entering your nose. And in every breath cycle, try to exhale slightly longer than you inhale. You inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue at your own pace, letting each exhale soften your body a little more. And as you breathe, feel the weight of your body supported by the ground beneath you. It's always there to carry you wherever you go. You are held. You are safe. Take one final deep breath in. And let it out slowly. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and carry this calm energy with you as you move forward. If you feel like you need a little more, feel free to repeat this meditation or any other meditation I have on this channel.